There. Today we're going to review a tool called WPConvert.ai that claims to convert any kind of generated website in some of the vibe coding tools such as Google Gemini or Lovable or Riplet. Name your vibe coding tool. It claims to convert whatever you create there into a WordPress theme. So we're going to try it out. I haven't used this before. You can see it's a clean account. I found actually, we're actually going to do a public service as well. I found this post. I didn't really have like a site to convert to test it out, but I saw this post. This person's trying to, they created a Google Gemini um, basically website, and they want to convert it to HTML. Um, or sorry, to a WordPress theme. They want to convert the HTML to a WordPress theme. So I went ahead and went to the site, checked it out. I have no idea who this person is. The site looks pretty good. I mean, they did a good job. Um, but it's all static. It doesn't really do anything. So I went ahead, I downloaded the HTML. I went to Chrome and did file save as, and then I zipped it because that's what's required here. And I'm in my account now. Let's go ahead and upload it and just see what happens here. Let's call it version types of WordPress theme. Okay, so it has Elementor and Gutenberg coming soon. Select the platform. I think it was built on Google, is what he said. So we'll start conversion. Let's see what happens here. Okay, so it said, please ensure there's a static. Okay, so let me look and see and make sure I have those things. Okay, so I looked at the files that I have, and it has the HTML. Let me just open it up here. It has the HTML, and then it has a subfolder where it's pulling all the resources from. So any of the photos and JS, the JavaScript and the CSS. Um, so I don't really know what happened here. I think it was just expecting the files at a different format that Google provides, but I don't have access to that. So let's try um, out of credits. Okay. So even though that failed, it says I'm out of credits. Let's see if I can do something else here. Can I delete this? Um, okay, so the delete failed. Okay, so that's not working either. Let me see if it'll let me do this in a different format. But it says I'm out of credit, so I'm not sure if it will. I'm just going to do HTML. Maybe that was my option. Start the conversion. Since even though it's generated on Google, maybe this will work since I've downloaded the HTML. Okay, so I'm getting kind of the same error here. Conversion failed, failed to fetch. Again, I don't know what that means. Let's go to my conversions and so nothing's in there. So nothing's in there. I can't. This is just how to fix it if it doesn't work exactly correct. And then it looks like this wouldn't delete either. I was trying to delete this, but it doesn't appear that. Okay, there it goes. Okay, I just took another turn here. Let's try one more time, and maybe I'll just pick other here. Not even going to bother naming it because I don't have high hopes anymore. Um, Other start conversion. Quota exceeded. Okay, so now it's just not letting me do it because I've exceeded my quota, which doesn't tell me what my quota is. Um, well, there you have it. It's a pretty quick review, but unfortunately, we weren't able to do what the site promises, which is convert HTML to a WordPress theme. I just kind of hit roadblocks everywhere I went. Do you have any luck with it? Let me know in the comments.